What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am pretty much showing y'all me doing my box braids. This is my favorite set just because I feel like I got the fullness right of the hair. Last time I feel like they were too thick, and the first time I didn't know about tapered ends. Did my bell just ring? I didn't know about tapered ends, so I literally had to rubber band each one at the end. It was cute. Everybody said they liked it. It was different because they never really seen it like that, and they were so long with rubber bands, so I guess it was a vibe. But these are definitely my favorite as far as the fullness. I love the size of the braids. I feel like my head in the back is flat, so if they too skinny, like, it would look weird. As you can still kind of tell my flat ass head, but this set specifically took me 8 long fucking hours. I started at 8 p.m. finished like 5, so in the morning, 5 in the morning. So it definitely took me longer. Shout out to my brother because he definitely was parting my hair for me. All in all, I'm super obsessed. I have, what kind of hair? I mean, you'll see the hair in the process of me braiding, but this is the end result. It's actually been a week. I'm doing the intro a week later, but that's because I needed it to get looser. Like, when you first braid your hair, it's really tight, hard to, like, it's painful to move a little bit. That's how I also know that I'm getting better, because when I finished, I was like, this hurts. So, and the first time, I don't think it hurt that bad. If I didn't explain it, you were able to at least see how I was braiding the hair. I'm gonna do box braids again. Like, I love this hairstyle. It's super easy in the morning. I literally just have to get up, take a shower, get dressed, and go. It's convenient for both winter and summer. If you don't have to do your hair, that's always good. I've also decided that I wanted to do my hair because, as y'all know, like, I started my channel because I wanted to grow my hair, and I was getting just basically telling you guys how I got rid of my heat damage. But now I ran into a new issue where my hair, I feel like, is very dry. Like, my hair is long, it grew a lot, but I find it very dry. And when I style my hair in the mornings, when it's curly, I always incorporate water, and I feel like me adding so much water every day is probably causing it to be dry. I may be wrong, I'm not sure, but I'm like a trial and error. I'm not trying to read about it. I'm gonna try it, and because it might work for me. Like, you never know, you know, everybody's makeup is different, so maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. So I already washed my hair with my handy dandy Wow shampoo and conditioner. If you follow me on Instagram, you know about this. I swear by this. I feel like it just keeps my hair so bouncy, so like frizz free and defined, and that's always a vibe. So I washed my hair. I let it air dry, but I did add this rose oil. I just got this oil from Amazon, and y'all, this smells so freaking good. It's a rose multi-use oil. It's rose petals, peony, and bergamot. It has apricot oil and sweet almond oil. It's a 4-ounce bottle, and it's for your hair, nails, and body. This has the rose petals. They're like floating around. So my hair, roses. Let me bring the hair. This is the 3X Free Trust Braid 301 in the natural texture. My brother is going to be helping me with my hair, like with the parts, finishing off the braid. He also braids, and I'm trying to get this done fast. The color is 301. It's like how my hair is looking right now, from brown to blonde. It's super soft, wow, and it's really thick. Oh yeah. I paid, this was $7 a pack. I got 4 packs. At first I got 6, and the lady was like, what are you doing to your hair? And I'm like, I want to do box braids. She's like, why are you getting 6 packs? And I didn't realize it's because this hair is really thick. So I'm pretty much just taking apart what I feel I want my braid, like how thick I want my braid to be. Like, this is way too thick. Yeah, she was right. And my hair is also semi-thick, so this is gonna be the thickness I want my braid. So I'm literally just gonna separate it everywhere. I'm talking doorknobs, like when you don't have, you feel me, your little station or your setup, use whatever you can around your house and your surroundings. We're about to repurpose a lot of things up in here. Okay. So I'll do that in a jiffy. Yeah, my skin is like, oh, I'm not so quiet. I'll be back. The back is pretty much done. I'm already working on the front. My brother helped me with the back, thank God. But I'm feeling already. For those of you who want to learn, it's really not that difficult if you already know how to braid. When I got to the front, I just parted it in the middle because I want to be able to have a middle part and a side part. And I greased my scalp, which is why I look so greasy. I'm also using this black Castor Miracle Growth Protection Braid Lock. Yeah, I'm using this to braid the hair in. In order for me to have like even amount of parts, I kind of parted it, braided it just so I can work on it one line at a time. I have the hair ready. I'm just gonna put some of the lock twist gel. This will help you keeping my hair's natural frizz, like from poking out of the braid. And now I'm ready to put my hair, the weave in. So this is how I learned. This is what resonated with me. So I'm gonna show you. You have to take maybe like 1/3 of this, right? Separate it. You should have two pieces, one a little thinner than the other. The thin piece, you put it right in the middle, so you're gonna cross it. Bam, it's a cross. Thin hair is over thicker hair, right? You get a little messy, so now I'm taking the middle hair and I'm kind of tightening it, and I'm gonna hold it here. So I'm pretty much making the 3 pieces for a braid in my hand. And when I put it on, I'm gonna be braiding this into my real hair. Hopefully you understand. If you don't, just watch. I'm literally braiding this down little by little. So here we go. Hopefully you can see. Grabbing more of my hair. Grabbing more of my hair. And it's attached. So I'm gonna keep braiding so you can see. Boom. Then I like to braid them really tight. So I'll flip it so I could braid inward. Because when I braid inward, it's tighter. Like I braid way tighter. Now, as I'm going down and braiding, I'm applying some of that lock twist gel just on my fingers. And it's like, this is gonna happen to you too. You just break it. It's fake, bitch. It ain't y'all. It's how. Well, it's yours to water, but it ain't growing out your head, so who cares? And boom, inward, boom, inward, boom, inward, inward. Thin over thicker. Make, oh, I hate this part because I don't know how to explain it, but this is gonna be one strand. The one that I just put over will be the third, and then this is the second, and then this is the third. Okay, you see how with thinner pieces it slips? I ain't having that, so I'm gonna do it over. Showed you guys how I pretty much am doing them. I'm gonna come back when I have my last one or my last two just to show you again, and it'll be on this side coming, like, you know. So yeah, I'll be right back.
It's like the flashback, the actual night.
Halfway done. I only have this left. Fucking 5 a.m. My last one. I'll save some. That's what's up, I guess. It's 5 in the fucking morning. I started the shit at 8 o'clock. I love box braids, but I'm gonna keep it in the middle for right now because these shits hurt. Gotta get a little flexible, you know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for freaking watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you fucking shit, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm delirious. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I literally did my hair and I did it all myself. Well, my brother helped me. Shout out to my brother because he really stood up. He just went to sleep right now. He stood up with me to finish this. You the shit. I love you. Comment, show me some love, and Jen is out. Hope you guys like how it came out. I'll do like a little turn for you. They're like right on my boobs, I guess. These are right there, thongs. Also, don't miss out on my next video. It's a 10-minute makeup challenge where I'm pretty much attempting to do this beat face in 10 minutes, and y'all go watch it and let me know if it was a fail or not. Because I don't know. You know, I'm not trying to toot, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show me some love. Don't forget to do everything that you do on this earth, on your everyday, everything you think, make sure you start with love, okay y'all? So yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one.